In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam auto updates and prevent mods from breaking. If you're someone who loves gaming with mods, you've probably encountered the frustration of a game update rendering your favorite mods unusable. Thankfully, there's a way to manage your updates more effectively and keep your gaming experience enjoyable. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to open your Steam app on your computer. It should be either on your desktop or in your start menu, depending on where you last accessed it. Once Steam is open, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the login button that you see on the screen. When prompted, enter your account name and password. Once you've entered your details, hit the sign in button. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. This is your hub for all gaming activities. Look to the top left corner of the window and you'll see a menu option labelled Steam. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking on this will open a new window that allows you to customize your Steam preferences. In the Settings window, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on Downloads. This section is specifically dedicated to managing how Steam handles game updates. Here you'll see an option to schedule auto updates, which is probably set to a default schedule. Go ahead and turn off this option, which stops Steam from automatically updating your games according to its own timetable. Next, we'll adjust the update settings for your specific games. Return to your Steam library, which you can do from the home page. In your library, locate the game for which you want to disable automatic updates. Right-click on the game title and from the context menu, select Properties. This will open another window tailored to that specific game. Within the Properties window, click on the Updates tab. Here you can set game-specific update preferences. In the drop-down menu under Automatic Updates, choose the option labelled Wait until I launch the game. This tells Steam to hold off on updating this game until you decide to play it next. This setting is particularly useful for preventing any unwanted updates from interfering with your mods. Once you've made your selection, simply close the Properties window. And that's it! You've successfully disabled auto updates for your game, safeguarding your mods from sudden breaking changes. By managing your updates this way, you take control of your gaming environment, ensuring a more stable and enjoyable playthrough with all your beloved mods intact. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech and gaming content. Happy gaming!